What you eating? What you eating under there? Gonna have plenty of off-camberness. Hopefully you got your tires aired down. If you got a sway bar disconnected, it's gonna help. This is an active cattle ranch. Yes, it's that bumpy. Welcome to Safari, a moderate trail for Jeepin with Judd 2023.
Everybody should be in 4 at this point.
The Lipkins are laughing at us. Safari, so good. It is a little off camber. It's a nice little trail ride through fresh grass. The grass that grows out here at the ranch, it's not on Florida grass, and they planted a lot of it for erosion purposes, and they thought that the cows would like it. Unfortunately, the cows do not like it. They don't mind this fresh stuff when it sprouts up initially, but you're going to take a ride through a bunch of fresh grown grass, twisting and turning on hills, getting pretty close to some pine trees occasionally, right up next to the water, and you're just gonna have a fun time on this ride. Airing down is definitely gonna help you.
We're all on the road.
Here I'm wondering, why is he spinning his tires there? So I have some people asking me how these Nitto ridge grapplers are doing. Well, it is very dry. We're not in mud. I'm not aired down. I'm running right now 36 PSI, and they are definitely not off-road mud terrains with the bigger lugs. I didn't have issues with these areas before when I was running the Patagonia mud terrains, but I seem to have some issues with this dry condition with my tires not being aired down.
Now, with these tires, you want to get can't feed it. Some bones down there.
DJ.
That's a mama cow calling her baby and baby answering back.
Thanks for leading the trail, man.
Yeah, you're welcome.
That was
Anytime.
good.
It's a nice trail. Andrew did a good job on it.
Good job, good job.
Yeah, I'm in a
Y'all-
wrong turn somewhere because
Y'all made it through.
And I'm Clay. Yeah, I know we're on
I'm
track.
Clay.
Yeah. Well, come on.
Yeah, he's wearing his flip-flops.
Come on, super.
Well, that's it for safari. So a little bit of gator there at the end. Lots of cows, lots of articulation, lots of fun. I'm Matt.
I'm Clay.
And we're out at the Clear Springs Ranch, Jeepin for Judd, doing some testing of trails. By the time you watch this, well, the event might have already come and gone, because we have a whole bunch of videos to edit. We'll see you on the next ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. If you need information on Jeepin with Judd, see the link below. If you need information on the Orlando Jeep Club and you live in Central Florida and you're looking for a good club to be part of, like us, come and join. We'll see you there. And now it's time for What Kind of Scat Is That with Matt? What's this big pile of poo? Can you tell me? I'll give you one guess. We're at a cattle ranch. This here is a pile of reconstituted cattle land grass.
Fertilizer.
Fertilizer, but this one, it's kind of hard like a rock.
If you eat beef, then you're actually eating vegetarian because all beef is grass. How can it be wrong? It's like bacon. Bacon is vegetarian because they eat vegetables. How's it wrong?
Chocolate comes from a plant. Chocolate is a salad.
Exactly.